Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete all TikTok reposts at once. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to delete all your reposts at once on TikTok, you have to follow this step. First of all, the very first thing is to make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. To check this, open up your Play Store and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are here, go to the search bar and type TikTok. After typing, the TikTok app will appear, so simply click on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, just tap on it and wait for TikTok to update. Once your app is fully up to date, simply open it up, sign into your account, and you will be on the home page. If you don't have any account, don't worry, you can simply make it by providing your email or simply signing up with Google account. Now, once you are on the home page, simply click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will be taken to your TikTok profile page. Here in the middle, you will see a repost icon. So go ahead and click on that and you will see all of your reposts. The TikTok repost feature is a sharing option that allows users to reshare someone else's video to their own followers without uploading or editing the original content. Instead of appearing on your public profile grid like a normal post, reposted videos show up under a dedicated repost section on your profile and they appear directly on the For You page of your followers. When you repost a video, TikTok adds your username and a short comment if you choose to add one at the top of the video, allowing your followers to know that you recommended that content. Now, to manually delete a repost, what you have to do is simply tap on any of the reposted videos and it will open up. After that, just click on the share button and a window will pop up. In this window, you will find the option Remove Repost. Simply click on that and your reposted video will be removed or deleted from your repost list. However, as you can see, if you have a lot of reposted videos, doing this manually becomes a time-taking process, so it will take a lot of time if you delete each one individually. So in order to do it quickly, what you have to do is contact TikTok support. Because TikTok unfortunately does not offer any built-in feature that allows users to remove all their reposts in bulk. So if you were hoping to clear everything with a single tap, that option simply doesn't exist right now. Instead, you'll need to follow an alternative method that allows you to request help from TikTok and also manually remove reposts one by one. Once you are on your profile page, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu and then choose Settings and Privacy. Inside this menu, scroll to the Support and About section and tap on Hemp Center. On the next page, click on Red Chat with Us button because we only need it to reach the TikTok support page. Tap on that and you'll be redirected to the TikTok help desk. Here, you need to type a message explaining what you want. You can keep it simple, something like, "Hi, please help me delete all my reposts. Thank you." After sending your message, TikTok will respond automatically. Their reply usually says something like, "Thanks for your feedback. We'll note your feedback for removing reposts in bulk as we continue to improve this experience." Along with that, they'll provide a short guide on how you can remove reposts one by one, which is currently the only method available. TikTok also mentions that they are considering a bulk removal feature in the future, so there's a chance this might become easier later on. For now, if you want to clear everything, you will need to manually remove each repost individually by following the steps TikTok sends you. It's a bit time consuming, but it's the only working method at the moment. And that's it. So that's basically how you can delete all TikTok reposts at once. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.